B. Describe 4 steps that should be followed before a public officer is seconded to a state corporation. 8 marks. A formal request should be sent by the corporation to the parent ministry. The ministry should assess the need for secondment. The public officer's skills and experience should align with the role. Concurrence should be given by both the ministry and corporation. Formal release letter issued by the ministry. Handing over duties completed prior to secondment. 14A. Mr. Kasuku, who retired from the public service 2 years ago, has lodged a complaint regarding delay in the processing of his terminal dues. Outline 5 measures that may be taken to minimize such delays. 10 marks. Streamline workflow and reduce bureaucracy. Set timeline for processing terminal dues. Digitize records to quicken information access. Hire more staff in pensions department. Provide regular progress reports to retirees. Automate calculation of dues. Regular audits to identify process bottlenecks. Fast-track complicated cases. Improve interdepartmental collaboration. Develop a retiree complaints redress mechanism. B. Highlight 5 instances when a public officer may be required to produce KRA Personal Identification Number Certificate. 10 marks. Upon first appointment. When due for promotion. When appointed in acting capacity. When processing annual tax returns. When updating personal records. When transferring service from one ministry to another. When taking up a secondment opportunity. When exiting the service through resignation or retirement. 15A. Highlight 5 challenges that members of Civil Service Medical Scheme and a National Hospital Insurance Fund have been experiencing while seeking medical services. 10 marks. Delayed reimbursements. Inadequate coverage. Limited panel of accredited hospitals. Complicated claim procedures. Rejection of claims on technicalities. Delays in receiving cards. B. Explain 5 benefits that a state department may derive from training of its employees. 10 marks. Improved skills lead to higher productivity. Staff are able to adapt to new systems and technologies. Training motivates employees and boosts morale. It aids in succession planning and continuity. Reduces mistakes, thus minimizing costs. Helps address gaps in skills and knowledge. Promotes innovation and best practices. Improves service delivery to citizens. Upskilling employees enables attainment of departmental goals. Leads to professional growth and job satisfaction. 16A. The clerical officer's application for annual leave has not been approved by the supervisor. Explain 5 reasons that may have informed the decision. 10 marks. Staffing constraints due to low headcount. Peak period with high workload in the office. Many staff have already applied for leave. The officer's previous leave records show misuse. Supervisor prefers staggered leave schedules. Officer gave short notice and covering duties will be difficult. Leave days exceed officer's leave allowance. The applied dates conflict with planned activities. Need to limit absenteeism around reporting deadlines. Disciplinary issues or misconduct under investigation. B. A state department has received a large number of applications in respect to an advertised post. Highlight 5 factors that should be considered before an applicant is shortlisted for interview. 10 marks. Level of education and qualifications. Relevant work experience and skills. Alignment with job requirements. Merit and qualifications of the applicant. Needs and priorities of the department. Professional and character references. Spread of candidates across demographics. Performance at previous public sector roles. Completeness of application and adherence to instructions. Results of competency assessment tests.